Hi, boys and girls. This week we're going to be looking at character setting and events. So, we all know that characters are the people or animals in stories, and authors create all different types of characters. So, let's take a look at this short passage. Mimi heard a gentle mewing near the giant oak tree. Her cat Chester was on one of the high branches. He sounded scared. Mimi yelled for help as she ran to the tree. "It's okay, Chester. We'll get you down," she called. Who are the characters in this story? Go ahead and take a second and pick out the characters. There are two characters. Did you say Mimi and Chester? If so, you are correct. Those are the only two that are mentioned in that short story. Now, a character, how are they? How would you describe them? How would you describe them? Character traits affect what happens in the story. Character traits are what they do or what they say. So we could describe Mimi as brave because she yells for help. She cares about the cat, so she's caring. So what she did by running and yelling for help shows her trait. The author doesn't just say Mimi was very brave. You have to take the knowledge, interpret it, and label the trait, okay? So what would have happened if maybe Mimi acted different? What if she had a different trait? What could have happened? What if she was really timid? That means like really, really shy. Do you think she would still run and get help? Probably not. So that would really change the outcome of the story. So here are some examples of character traits: caring, loyal, trustworthy, courageous, perseverant, honest, responsible, optimistic, kind, generous, polite, forgiving, fair, respectful. These are all different examples. And like I said, the author may not say he was very trustworthy and courageous. They might have them do something that shows that they're courageous or trustworthy, right? So like I said, changing their trait can change the whole story. What if, Mimi was mean? What might be written in the story to show that Mimi was mean? I think it would be really mean if she was like, "Ha ha, Chester, that's what you get for climbing up so high. You're stuck." That would be really mean. That would show that Mimi is really mean. Daring, a clue might be Mimi ran to the tree and climbed up to that highest branch to grab Chester, even though she was afraid of heights. So that would show that she was daring. All right, my friends. So remember, as we're looking at different stories, we're going to be looking at those clues to determine those character traits. Okay? Make sure you check out your pathways for additional resources or what to do next. I'll see you guys in class. Bye, everybody.